You have already seen in the previous lecture how we executed our programs successfully on Raspberry Pi. Now, you don't have to worry if you don't have a Raspberry Pi. Thonny, the Python integrated development environment used in this course, can be installed on Windows, Linux, or Mac. So, let's get started with the installation process for Windows. Google for Thonny and visit the first link which will ask you to save the file. Give the desired name and the location. Then click on Save. You will get the basic output in the cell. Going forward, you can run all the programs using this application. Open the terminal and type sudo apt install Thonny. Enter the system password if required. The file size is around 93.1 MB. Just type Y and hit enter. The download process will begin. The application and you can find Thonny here. Open the application and you can type your code here. Save the program in your desired folder and name as you want. Just click on OK and the program output will be visible on your screen.